Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Rush for more reviews. So today we are at Sovereign North, and we're also going to look at a new development as well. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Trying to get to 6,000 subscribers by the end of August. Remember to like the video, leave a comment and share as well. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options in the description. So as I mentioned, we're at Sovereign North. Not a very large plaza. We're also going to check out a new development as well. So I'll show you guys that new development in a short while. Alright, so leave your thought, guys. Let me know what you think about the Sovereign North plaza. There's a lot of sovereigns. We have Sovereign North, we have Sovereign Liguanea, Sovereign Village, Sovereign Portmore. Alright, not a lot of shops here. We have Imperial Optical, Chinese restaurant, Taurus Garden Restaurant, Devon House Ice Cream. We have Uncorked Restaurant as well. So just a few shops here. Alright, so this is a view from the upstairs. A bit overcast. We're on Barbican Road in Kingston. Alright, so Sovereign North is also the home of the Rib Cage restaurant, and also, as I mentioned before, Uncork. So a few amount of restaurants, well, mainly restaurants, and a few closed store on this plaza here. Alright, so this is the new plaza on Barbican Road. It's the Progressive Shopping Center. Still on the final touches, hasn't been opened as yet. So definitely when this is open, we'll be back over here to get some better shots. Alright, so it's right next to the Lane Arcade Village Plaza, close to the Burger King as well. Alright guys, definitely leave your comments, your thoughts in terms of this plaza. Design, the location. I know I see an elevator access on it. Not sure about underground parking. So the design is similar to the Super Value Plaza on Constant Spring Road. I guess they'll have a rooftop restaurant and bar, nightclub. Not as big as Super Value on Constant Spring Road, but we see it's 3 floors with elevator access. Alright guys, so when they're fully opened, we'll definitely get a better look. This is just a sneak peek. Alright, so this is Burger King Barbican Road. This is just down from the new Progressive Shopping Center. And then we have the Arcade Village Shopping Center down this side. So this is Lane Arcade Village on Barbican Road. Alright, so we see a few shops here just for feet. Paper Gold Limited, Kronos Limited, Isabel Day Spa, Takeaways Restaurant, Raphael's Pizza and Grill, Richmond, Sea Deck Restaurant, Pizza Grill, Island Heart and Framing, Entice, Courtney Washington, Tamarind Continental, China Max Restaurant, Tamarind Indian Cuisine, Barbers, Face Forward, Carojan Boutique, Lotto and Just Bet, Jane, ABM and Natural Health. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, remember to leave a comment, remember to like, and definitely share the video. We're trying to reach 6,000 subscribers by the end of August. And remember, we have options if you want to donate to the channel. We're working on a drone for the channel, so we have PayPal and other options as well.